Well, hello everyone. Today I am teaching you flowers and bubbles nail art design step by step guide. Perfect for beginners. This simple and quick nail art design will add an elegance of plain nails. Let's move to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a pink nail polish. Step number 2, using a dotting tool and a white nail polish as well. Place large and small dots on the tips of your nails. Step number 3, repeat step number 2 with a dark purple nail polish. It's okay if any of the dots overlap. Step number 4, using the dotting tool and the purple nail polish, place 5 large dots in a circular shape to create a flower on your thumb and ring finger nails. Step number 5, place smaller white dots over the purple ones you have just made to define the petals as well. Step number 6, carefully use a pair of tweezers or a dotting tool to place a white decal in the center of the flower. Step number 7, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal the design easily. Step number 8, remove all the extra nail polish on your skin with the nail remover or something else which you want. Here you go, your design is ready. This is the beautiful nail art design which you made at your home comfort easily. Thank you very much for watching this video.